how to turn off or on surveys notifications on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on surveys notifications. First open your browser and then click here account settings, and now once you're here click notifications, and here you will find surveys. Now just click on it if you want to turn it off, and then you don't have to click save, just click close. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it, turn it on whenever you want. And if you can't find notifications here, you can just click on your profile and click on it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.